Get out of here. I don't whip your butt. Get out of here. Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Crafty Queen Bee, that's me. Listen friends, I went back to the Dollar Tree and I found some really nice spring and summer items along with a handful of Easter items I want to share with you. All right, so let's get right to it. The spring item, the first one I'm going to show you is this cute wall hanging, or you can put it outside by your bench or in a pot, a planter that is. It says Hello Spring and it's got a pretty little turquoise colored truck on it with flowers. And it also, the hello is kind of raised and it is out of a thick fun foam and it's glittered. It is so pretty for just $1. Wow, what a bargain. All right, next spring item that I found was this cute little truck. Friends, how cute is this? It says strawberries 25 cents and it's got the little fender is raised on both sides and it's got a load of strawberries and the strawberries have a little tint of glitter on them. This is so cute. I can think of lots of things you could do with this. Alrighty, next. Look friends, is this not pretty? This is a spring welcome. It is in the color of turquoise or a sea blue with this pink flower on it. It is too cute. Welcome. These are so popular nowadays. You can decorate them with the deco mesh around them or just with ribbon. They'll be so pretty by your door or your bench or your flower pot. Okay. Another thing I wanted to show you are these beautiful placemats. They have them in the blue and turquoise color, or it's mainly blue, and the pink and the orange. And friends, these are wonderful placemats. I got 2 of each, but I'm not going to use them as placemats. I've got an idea. And I'm going to show you right quick. I'm going to take them and I'm going to cut about right there. And then I'm going to stuff it and I'm going to make it into a pillow for my benches. I'll just hot glue the top. I won't even have to pull out the sewing machine because I don't remember how to sew anymore. All right, these are so pretty. The material is of good quality and I think they're kind of water resistant on the front. So these are a bargain for $1. All right, next I found this little pink truck. How cute is this, friends? It says fresh flowers. You can put this on a wreath or you can just put this, like I said, anywhere outside your door. It'll be too cute. It's glittered fenders and the fresh flowers is glittered and some of the flowers are a little raised glitter on them. This was too cute. Oh friends, look at this. This reminds me of my daughter-in-law Laurie. She's a bike rider. Look how pretty this is. It says Home Sweet Home. This would be perfect on a wreath. I can see it already. And it is in the pink with the flowers. The Home Sweet Home, the Home Sweet is in blue. And the home here is in the raised foam. Too cute. I can already see it. All right, and since we're talking about flower pots and summer, friends, the Dollar Tree is carrying these to set your plants, potted plants on. They are a bargain for $1. They've got the little wheels at the bottom. They have them in this color and they also have them in the cream color. These are a bargain for $1. I picked up a bunch of them and they work really well. And also, friends, if you get some plastic they have like little cutting mats. If you cut a circle around here, spray paint it, you can also make it into a tier tray and it can move around. That is a bargain for $1. Okay, I also found these pots, these containers for potted plants. And what I liked about these is that you can stack them, friends. How cute is that? I have aloe vera plants that and ivy plants that I always start as have starter pots for them, and I think these are going to be perfect for $1. All right. Next, I found this sign that says "Welcome Summer." When you're done with spring, Easter, you can pull this out, decorate it, put it by your bench. I always put things by my bench. I love to decorate. Or your flower pot, or by your door, or inside your house. It is too pretty to pass up for $1. Again, the welcome is in the raised foam and it's glittered. And the summer is glittered, just the pressed letters. Okay, and to go along with that, I found a little red truck that says watermelons 25 cents. And again, friends, the fenders are glittered and raised, and some of the red on the watermelons are glittered. It's so cute. I can see this with little white daisies on a wreath or a little centerpiece. Cute, cute, cute. This last wall hanging that I found I'm going to save this for the fall. It is so pretty. It says welcome, and it's got like a sunflower, and the sunflower is raised, and it's the same material as the board itself, but the letters welcome are glittered. Friends, for fall, this would be perfect, or summer if you wanted to use it, but I think I'm going to save this for the fall. Okay, next I'm going to show you some of the items I'm going to be using on some of my upcoming spring crafts. I bought one of these containers because I'm going to make a little bunny centerpiece with it. So pick one of those up if you want to craft with me. I also picked up a basket that I'm going to do something with. Dollar Tree has a bunch of these cute baskets. Actually, this is not one of the better ones, but they do have bigger ones. I just needed a small one. They have them in all different colors and styles, but I've got plans for this one. I also picked up some bunny tails. I'm gonna make some bunnies that are gonna need some tails on them. So these are cute. Big, full, and they have the little clips where you can just clip it on or take it off and hot glue it to a bunny. All right, next I found, remember what I told you that I did with these prize bunny plastic containers? I found it in the pink, friends. I had never found them in pink. I was so excited. I took and bought all the ones that they had, which was 4. So that was a good buy. All right. I also found this to set outside in a pot. I don't know if you can see it, Eric.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, it's a little truck. It says Happy Easter, and it's got the tail end of a bunny digging inside the carrot truck, and it says Happy Easter. This would be cute inside a potted plant with spring flowers. I found this cute sign too with the glittered bunnies. It says welcome. I already have plans for this. This is going to be outside my door in a potted planter. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with this. I was so excited to find it. It was new to me. I don't know if they had it last year or not. Because last year, I think the lockdown happened about the time that the Easter stuff was coming out. So I never saw a bunch of this stuff. Okay, I picked up some more of that diamond wrap that I told y'all about. That is it's really a good buy. It's a bargain for $1. You can do so much with it, especially on your glass items. picked up some gold and some hot pink. Dollar Tree also has a variety of these garden fairy little figurine things. I picked up the little cactus. I think they're so cute just to sit around on your shelves, just wherever, your kitchen. But I love the little cactus. It was so cute. And then I picked up the little flower pot one. Isn't that cute? That is adorable. And friends, look what I found for $1. He is big. It's got the Peeps brand on it. Kind of official for $1. I bought some other Peeps at Dollar General, the stand-up ones that were stuff like this, and they were $3. So I felt like I hit the jackpot finding this one for $1. Okay, let's see. I picked up some more straws for decoration. I found the purple and the turquoise. And I'm also going to be working on a candy basket. And they had the Russell Stover coconut mini eggs. Yum! My mouth is watering already. Okay, so had to pick those up. Let's see. Friends, this next item, I want you, if you run across and pick 2 or 3 or 4 of these up. These are so neat to use on projects. These are the fairy lights. I'm not going to take these apart, but these are so neat to use on projects. One of the things I'm going to do with them at Christmas is I'm going to put it behind a Christmas card that's going to go in a frame, and then you just kind of put these behind it after you make little holes in it. Friends, you light up that frame. It is so easy to create something with these little, they're LED copper wire LED lights. Pick them up. I picked up 4, and I went ahead and tested all of them to make sure that they did work, so I didn't have to take any of them back.
By the way, it's LED.
What did I say?
LED. It's not like lead paint like we all ate when we were kids.
My friends know me. Okay, sorry.
Be like, I need the LED lights. I'm looking for the ones with the lead in it. They run off of the asbestos-powered batteries. No.
Sorry, folks. You know how I get so excited and sometimes I forget. I'm sorry. That was LED, not lead. Don't get the lead ones. Okay, I found some butterflies that I'm going to be using on a project, upcoming project. And if you want to craft with me on that one. And I wasn't too crazy about the colors that they had, but this is all they had to choose from. And for $1, it's going to be okay. I'm going to make it work. Okay, pick up a margarita glass, some butterflies, and another one of these votive cups. And you're also going to need just any one of these small candles. You're not going to use the candle, but you're going to use the lid. And I'm going to kind of give you a sneak peek of what I'm going to do with it. Okay?
That's it? That's all?
That's all I'm going to tell them. If they want to craft with me, they'll have to watch that video and pick up these items, and they'll be set. Also, I found pretty candles in the turquoise color, so I picked some of them up. And let's see what else. Okay, friends, some of the other things that you're going to need for some of the spring projects. Pick up a few of these containers. You're not going to use the bottom part, but you're going to use the top. And I already took the rubber part off of this one. You're going to need 2 or 3 of these candle holders. You can find these, if you don't find them at the Dollar Tree, you can find them at Walmart, and they're 99 cents as well. All right, and you're going to need one of these fishbowl candle holders, slightly bigger than the small one that I used in the gumball machine project. All right, So I think that's it. Oh wait, one more thing. Friends, I know I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I am. I picked up some more deco mesh because I love the way my Valentine wreath turned out. Guess what? I'm gonna make an Easter one. So stick around and we'll have that video sometime soon for you. All right, friends, hope you enjoyed it and hope you can find some of these items. I'll be helping you with ideas on what to do with them. Stay tuned. Until then, friends, spread kindness everywhere you go. Love y'all. Bye.